Welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm introducing a new exciting new products from Bronsun. I'm your master trainer Natalia, so let's get started. Like I told you guys at the beginning, we have this amazing new box from Bronsun. So basically, Bronsun decided to make our life much easier, and they decide to put all the shades in one box instead of you buying one by one and deciding what colors you can use for your clients. Well, now you have them all in one same box, so it's so nice. Let's just open it together and see how it looks. So this one is just like a sleeve that they put on top of the box so they can protect the box. And then you open the box and this is what you found. So they have the directions, the applications, the instructions, and the ingredients over here. And then we have 7 different colors and 2 developers. The reason why it comes with 2 developers is basically you use more developer than the actual cream. Also, remember that you're supposed to put like the same amount that you put from the tint, you're supposed to put from the developer. But sometimes what I recommend is if you want like a deeper color, add a little bit less developer. So that's one trick for you guys. So how amazing is this? Instead of you buying one by one like this, you can buy the whole package and basically you're saving $23. Yes, we did the math for you, and in total you save, basically they're giving you a free shade or like a free tube of dye. So that's a save for you because it's a save for your pocket. And you know how much dyes you guys can make with this, like how much eyebrows and lashes, like it's more than 100 clients that you can do with this. When using Bronsun, it is important to recognize the undertone of your client's skin, whether they are warm, cool, or neutral, as this will determine what color you will choose. So let's say if you have a client that her skin is very warm, then go with like something more cool. So always the reverse. And if you have a client that their skin is very cool, you have to use something warm so it looks very nice and it looks very natural. So the first step is you have to clean their eyebrows very well. So either use the Bronsun shampoo or any makeup remover or any lash shampoo that you have. Do like a very small motion in the eyebrows so you remove any like dead skin, any oils or anything that it won't allow the Bronsun to stick to the skin. It is important to also map and prep the eyebrows before the application so you know where you're gonna do the application of the mixing. In order for them to work properly, you have to use the developer. So please don't mix them with other brands because you don't get the same results. Like I told you before, try to get like 1 ratio and 1 ratio of the developer. So what you do is like you put a little dot of the dye and then a little dot of the developer, which is like 3%. This is also very safe for the skin. So when you're mixing, try to mix it, never mix with the brush, because seriously you're gonna damage the bristles. So get maybe like a micro brush or any stick or anything that you can mix it very well, and then prior to the application just make sure it's very well mixed and start on the eyebrows. I always kind of like start like halfway, 1/3 of the eyebrow, so I don't take like the first part of the eyebrow. I always start a little bit farther so I don't get that boxy look, if I can explain myself, like if you guys understand what I'm talking about. You don't want that like boxy look of the eyebrow at the front. You want kind of like a ombre effect on that part. So always start from like 1/3 of the eyebrow from like in the beginning of the eyebrow to the tail of the eyebrow. And then after you do 1 pass, go to the front and then continue again, like do 2 passes. And always when you're doing, try to do like pressure mode. So when you're doing pressure, basically you're kind of like injecting the ink into the skin without too much pressure, and without like you have to like in between, not too much pressure, don't be too rough with your clients also, but like do like a nice pressure so the tint is like tint very nice the skin also, like it stains the skin. So after that you will see like these ones will change color as they develop. So it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. After you see the color totally change, that's when you have to remove it. So to remove it, you just use like a cotton pad and wet it with a little bit of water. Don't over wet it, just a little bit. Clean the eyebrows part, and then with another clean cotton pad, just remove very well in between the hairs. And that's it. If you want to do concealer underneath the eyebrows so it looks like more like makeup done, like it looks very nice. And also if you want to apply it on the eyebrows, a little bit of something that will, like an oil or something that they will nourish in the eyebrows hairs, will be amazing too. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more amazing content like this. And if you want to purchase the new Bronsun Box and products, the link will be in the description box. See you next time!